Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload videos to Google Drive and share them. Before getting into this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to search in Google Drive. Open Google Drive. Once you open Google Drive, then you need to click on Go to Drive. Once you are in your Drive, then you need to click on New, and then you need to click on File Upload. And here you need to select a random video. So I'm going to upload a random video. So you can see that now this video is uploading, and once this video is uploaded, you simply need to click on that video, and here you can see that three dots. Click on that option, and here you can see the second option, share. Click on that option, and here you can see that if you want, you can add people and group by entering email here, and here you can see that get link. Then you need to click on change to anyone with the link, and here you can see that you can viewer, commentator or editor. So once you have the link, you simply need to click on copy link, and you can share that link anywhere where you want. So by following these steps, you can easily upload videos to Google Drive and share them. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.